What if I told you there are 13 investments that never stop paying you? Investments that work while you sleep. Investments that compound into wealth, whether you're paying attention or not. If you want to build real passive income and break free from trading your time for money, you absolutely need to know about these. So if you're serious about your financial future, please subscribe to the channel because we break down real wealth building strategies every single week. Let's start with the most powerful investment of all, dividend-paying stocks. When you own a share of a company that pays dividends, that company literally sends you cash every single quarter. It's like owning a tiny piece of a business that works for you. The beautiful part? Those dividends can be reinvested to buy more shares, which then pay you more dividends. Over time, this compounding effect becomes absolutely incredible. You're not doing anything. The money just keeps flowing in. The second investment that never stops paying is bonds. Bonds are essentially IOUs from governments or corporations. When you buy a bond, you're lending money, and they pay you interest regularly. Unlike stocks, bonds are more predictable and stable. They don't swing up and down as wildly. For conservative investors, bonds provide steady, reliable income. You know exactly when you're getting paid and exactly how much. It's not flashy, but it works. Now let's talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. A REIT is a company that owns and manages real estate properties. When you buy shares in a REIT, you own a piece of those properties. Every quarter, they distribute profits to shareholders as dividends. You get the benefits of real estate ownership without the headache of being a landlord. No tenants to deal with. No maintenance calls at 3 in the morning. Just passive income from real estate flowing straight to your account. The fourth investment is rental properties themselves. If you want to own physical real estate, you can be a landlord. Your tenants pay you rent every month. That rent covers your mortgage, property taxes, and maintenance, with money left over as profit. Real estate appreciates over time too, so you're building equity while collecting monthly checks. It requires more work up front, but it's a proven wealth-building strategy that's worked for hundreds of years. Number 5 is peer-to-peer lending platforms. These are websites where you lend money to individuals or small businesses, and they pay you interest on that loan. Your money is spread across many borrowers, which reduces risk. You're essentially becoming a bank, earning interest income without needing a banking license. The interest rates are often much higher than traditional savings accounts. Let me tell you, if this video is delivering value to you right now, please hit that like button. It helps us reach more people who want to build real wealth, and it genuinely means a lot to me. The sixth investment is high-yield savings accounts and CDs. These are the safest investments on this list. Your money is federally insured, and you earn interest on it. A CD is a certificate of deposit, where you agree to leave your money untouched for a certain period, and in return, you get a higher interest rate. The interest just accumulates. It's not as exciting as stocks, but safety matters when you're building wealth. Now we're getting to royalties, which is number 7. If you create something once, you can earn royalties on it forever. Write a book and earn royalties every time it's sold. Compose a song and earn every time it's played on Spotify or a radio station. Create an online course and earn every time someone enrolls. Your creativity becomes a permanent income stream. Number 8 is an index fund. An index fund is basically a collection of stocks bundled together. When you invest in an index fund that tracks the S&P 500, you're automatically owning 500 companies. These companies pay dividends. The index grows over time, and you're invested in the overall success of the market. It's diversified, it's passive, and historically, it's the best investment for most people. The 9th investment is an ETF, or exchange-traded fund. ETFs work very similarly to index funds, but they trade like stocks throughout the day. You can buy them through any brokerage. Many ETFs focus on dividend-paying stocks, so you get both growth and income. They're incredibly flexible and come in thousands of varieties, each targeting different markets or sectors. Number 10 is intellectual property and patents. If you invent something or hold a patent, companies will pay you to use your invention. You did the work once, and now royalties or licensing fees flow in continuously. Think of inventors who hold patents on common items. Every sale generates a payment to them, forever. The 11th investment is a high dividend yield ETF. These ETFs specifically focus on stocks that pay very high dividends. When you buy shares in a high dividend ETF, you're buying pieces of dozens of companies specifically chosen for their generous payouts. Your account receives dividend payments constantly, creating a steady income stream. It's like getting paid just for holding the shares. Number 12 is automated online businesses. These could be affiliate marketing websites, dropshipping stores, or digital products like printables. You build the system once, set up automation, and then customers buy your products without you lifting a finger. You sleep and orders come in. The profits flows to your bank account. It requires upfront effort and learning, but once it's built, it's truly passive. And finally, the 13th investment that never stops paying you is a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. A DRIP automatically takes your dividend payments and uses them to buy more shares of the same stock. You set it up once, and it compounds automatically forever. You're not selling, you're not trading. Your dividends automatically turn into more shares, which pay more dividends, which buy even more shares. It's the power of compounding turned into pure automation. Here's the thing about all 13 of these investments. They're all about buying something once and letting it work for you perpetually. Whether it's stocks paying dividends, real estate generating rent, or intellectual property generating royalties, the principle is the same. You're separating your income from your time. You're creating money machines. The key to building real wealth is diversification. You don't put all your money into one investment. Maybe 50% goes into a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks and index funds. 20% goes into bonds for stability. 20% goes into real estate or REITs. 10% you use to start or invest in a side business. This way, if one investment struggles, others are still paying you. Another critical principle is starting early. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world, but only if you give it time. Every year you delay is a year of compound growth you can't get back. Someone who invests at 25 will have exponentially more wealth at 65 than someone who starts at 35. Time is your secret weapon. Don't fall into the trap of thinking passive income means no work. Setting up these investments takes research, effort, and discipline. You need to learn which stocks pay dividends, how to evaluate bonds, how to find good real estate deals, or how to build an online business. The work is on the front end. Once it's built, the maintenance is minimal, but the creation requires your attention. Also, understand that different investments suit different people. A young investor might focus on growth stocks and index funds. A retiree might prioritize dividend stocks and bonds for steady income. Someone handy might prefer rental properties. A creative person might focus on royalties and digital products. Your mix should match your skills, temperament, and timeline. Risk tolerance matters too. Bonds and high-yield savings are safer but pay less. Stocks and real estate offer more growth but fluctuate more. By mixing stable investments with growth investments, you balance risk and reward. You sleep better at night, knowing some of your money is safe, while other portions are working hard to grow. Taxes are also worth understanding. Dividend income, capital gains, and rental income are taxed differently. Some investments in tax-advantaged accounts, like IRAs or 401k, grow tax-free. Understanding the tax implications helps you keep more of what you earn. Consider talking to a tax professional to optimize your strategy. The beauty of these 13 investments is that they compound together. You earn dividend income, which you reinvest into more shares. Those shares pay dividends. Your rental property appreciates while generating rent. Your bond pays interest, which you invest elsewhere. Your online business profits get reinvested into better marketing or products. Everything feeds everything else. Some people get paralyzed thinking they need to do all 13. You don't. Pick one or two and start. If you like stocks, begin with index funds. If you like real estate, research your local market. If you're creative, start building that digital product. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Start somewhere and build from there. The mistake most people make is not starting at all. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect market, the perfect situation. That perfect moment never comes. Start with $5 if that's all you have. Start with 1% of your income if that's what you can afford. The direction matters more than the speed. Just start moving toward financial independence. Another mistake is treating passive income like easy money. It's not. It's deferred work. You do the work now so you can enjoy the benefits later. But it's worth it. Imagine having income that doesn't depend on you showing up to an office. Imagine making money whether you're on vacation, whether you're sick, whether you're tired. That's the freedom these investments provide. So let's wrap this up. 13 investments that never stop paying you include dividend stocks, bonds, REITs, rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, high-yield savings, royalties, index funds, ETFs, intellectual property, high-dividend ETFs, automated online businesses, and trips. Each one generates income without your active participation. Each one can be combined with others to create a diversified, resilient income stream. Your job is to pick the investments that align with your skills and interests. Do the upfront work to set them up, and then let them run. Over time, as these income streams grow and compound, you'll find yourself in a position of freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time. Freedom from financial stress. Freedom to pursue what you actually love. If you found this valuable and you want more strategies for building real wealth, please subscribe to the channel. We release new content every week designed to help you take control of your financial future. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. It truly helps, and it lets me know you want more content like this.